Hey y'all, what's going on? It's your girl, I am Crab. Shout out to my Crab crew. If you haven't already, guys, I need y'all to go ahead and to subscribe to my channel, like this video and save it. Um, this video is really about wanting to tap in and having content blues. I had a conversation with someone today actually, and they were kind of kicking my butt about just diving in and doing what I need to do as far as getting to the top of my goals, as opposed to just sitting back and just letting my goals fly by me. Really digging deep and doing what's necessary to build my brand and get it to the next level. And it's really hard when you are put into like a weird position. My page was hacked into and I got my page stolen, so I lost almost 8,000 followers, and now I'm starting over again. So it's very discouraging to be in this space right now, and I just really need to get back on it. It kind of threw me off because I feel like, I'm like defeated by the situation. It's just like, you know what, that happened last year. I need to get reacquainted with myself this year and really tap in. So the one thing that did stick out to me is just to jump into it. It only takes 30 seconds. Like, that's literally what they were saying. They were just like, it takes 30 seconds. Like, it takes no time to just really do what's necessary for your brand. And I'm just always so nervous. I always wanted to be like on point. I always wanted to look a certain way. I always want to have a certain aesthetic. And it's like, I have all the tools here. Like, why am I not utilizing them? So this is one of my first personalized videos that I'm doing right now and wanted to post because I just feel like, as content creators, as hairstylists that didn't grow up in the world of content, you just kind of jumped into being a videographer yourself, being a content creator yourself, being a market person yourself, learning all those things and having to do those things to upgrade your business is very very overwhelming. So this is to all my ladies that not only are hairstylists, but we're therapists. Um, we are comedians. We are backbones. We are listeners, great listeners. We are advice givers. We are now a marketing company. We are now um, a promotional company. We are now a full-on brand, and you are the CEO. You're the Indian. You're the chief. You're everything. So. Um, I want to say that I'm grateful that I was able to continue this journey as far as being all those things at once, and then also getting help from my sisters here at Deep in the Hair. Um, Shout out to her strands of hair music, such your genius, S dot, Coco, Coco curls, my boo. So I just really, really want to say thank you. And I hear all the advice that I get from my mentors and my mentors and my positive people in my life, to just step out there and do exactly what I need to do and execute. So you're going to be seeing a lot of this face. You're going to be seeing a lot of this background. I hope you guys enjoy my videos. I'm kind of excited because I'm going to be leaning into the educational parts of it. So, content creating, here I come. I'm ready to knock it out the box. So, let's do this. So, yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for listening. See you, Crab Crew.